What's up, YouTube? Hey, I'm gonna do a quick video. I was talking with one of my subscribers the other day, a buddy of mine that I talk with on YouTube, and we were talking about EDC or everyday carry, and we're not talking about just a gun or a knife or something like that. It's just his proposed question was, at any given time, if someone were to stop you and you had to empty your pockets, what do you carry with you every day? So I'm gonna make a quick video. Get some of the boring stuff out of the way. One thing I always have with me is my cell phone, the Moto X. I always got my cell phone. If you guys watch my videos, you noticed I always have my paracord bracelet. It's always with me. You know, I can't think of a lot of scenarios where I would actually need to rip that bad boy apart and for cordage or what have you, but I like wearing it, and it's there if I need it for some unforeseen reason. The next thing I always keep with me is a little pocket knife. Nothing too fancy, just a good man always got to have a knife with him. Cut shit open or whatever. Every guy's got to have a knife. Another thing I always carry with me, just a little Bic lighter. I don't smoke or anything like that, but I always carry one with me. Obviously, I flip my driver's license around, but my wallet, which lacks money. You will never find me without a can of Grizzly. Long cut straight. That's what gets me through my day. And last but not least, my everyday carry gun is always my 380 Taurus TCP 380. Take it out here. I got this. It's a pocket holster I carry it in. I don't like putting shit in my waistband. That's just my personal preference. And a gun of this size, it's so easy to put in your pocket. You don't even notice it, but I wouldn't always recommend carrying a gun, at least in the pocket holster, just so the trigger doesn't grab on anything. And that was like, $5-10 on eBay for this little holster. But the gun itself, I will clear it, because if you guys know what this gun is, that indicates that the gun is loaded. But now it's unloaded. Moving the camera here. Some guys that I talk to and see other videos on, some guys will talk shit about the 380. Some guys will say it's a good carry gun for self-defense if need be. I love carrying the 380, especially this pocket-sized pistol 380. I don't care what I've heard these conversations before with well, you need to have some stopping power, 45, 40, whatever. I call bullshit on that. I did do a lot of work on a farm growing up, and I've seen my grandpa and my uncles kill bulls and pigs and everything else with a 22 caliber. One shot to the head, it would drop a big cow. It's all about shot placement to me. You can shoot, you have a bad guy coming at you with a knife or gun or whatever, and you have to defend yourself. You can pull out your 45 caliber, and if you suck at shot placement, you can shoot him 4 or 5 times, hitting a limb and gut shots and whatever else. He's still going to get to you and could cause you harm. Shot placement. I don't care if you take someone in the head with a 45 caliber or a 380 or a 22. You hit someone in the right spot, they ain't coming towards you anymore. So for my practical use, nice little concealable 380. I have no concerns that it would stop someone if I needed it to stop someone. I'm pretty confident in my accuracy. What I carry in my 380 is the Hornady critical defense, self-defense rounds. Just that focus for you guys. You guys should know what these are. It's a good round for self-defense. This little Taurus is a capacity of 6 in the mag, so it's a 6+1. But that's my little quick video on my everyday carry, shit that I'll have with me wherever I go, day or night. That's what you will find if you search me. Alright, later boys.